Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fit, fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Standard 2 English video. In this video we will do some revision work related to the previous chapters that you already studied in the class. But before we start to explain some revision work, one request from all my dear students that you have to watch this video till the end, and if you are facing any problem, any confusion, just note down in your notebook and you can ask during the class. So let's move to the revision work. In this revision work we will do some questions related to choose the correct option. So the questions related to choose the correct option. In each and every question you will get how many options? 4 options. And in your class test 2 examination also you will get how many options? 4 options. You all have given class test 1 examination. So in the same way in class test 2 you will get 4 options. So how many options you need to choose? Only one option you need to choose according to the question. So let's start from number 1. Das is the poet of the poem The Sun. Now here asking that the poet name. Now option 1 is given Michael Preen. Number B, that is Gareth Lancaster. C, Rabindranath Tagore. And the D, both B and C. Both B and C means Gareth Lancaster and Rabindranath Tagore both. So, which option is correct according to question number 1? Das is the poet of the poem The Sun. So, who is the poet of the poem The Sun? Gareth Lancaster. So, option B is correct. So, you need to choose option B, that is Gareth Lancaster is the poet of the poem The Sun. Next question number 2. So number 2, I cannot hear a laugh up here. Hyena said, dash. Option A, giraffe. Option B, hippo. Option C, elephant. And option D, monkey. So I can't hear a laugh up here. Hyena said. Who said this line? I can't hear a laugh up here. So as we all know that Hyena was very sad because he had lost his laugh. So Hyena first went to whom? Hyena first went to which animal? Giraffe. And Hyena said that please help me find my laugh. And Giraffe lifted her long neck and looked around the tree tops and said to Hyena that I can't hear a laugh up here. So which option is correct according to question number 2? Option A, that is your giraffe. Giraffe said this line to whom? Giraffe said this line to Hyena that Hyena, I cannot hear a laugh up here. Next, number 3. The speaker thinks that the sun also needs to option A, study, option B, play, option C, rest, and option D, laugh. So, according to question number 3, which option is correct? So, which option is correct? The speaker thinks that the sun also needs to. This question is from the poem The Sun, written by Gareth Lancaster. So, in this poem, the speaker means Gareth Lancaster, wonders where the sun goes in the night. So, does it go to sleep, or does it hide, or does it turn around and become the moon? So, in this poem, the speaker thinks that the sun also needs to what? Needs to rest. Option C is correct. So, we need to choose option C. The speaker thinks that the sun also needs to rest. Next, number 4. Number 4. This year, the park was closed on option A, Monday, Option B, Wednesday. Option C, weekend, and option D, both A and B. A and B means Monday and Wednesday. So this year the park was closed on a weekend. Once every year the park was closed for what? The park was closed for cleaning and no one could use the park then. So this year the park was closed on a weekend. That is your option C. And what do you mean by the word weekend? Weekend means Saturday and Sunday. So this year the park was closed on a weekend. That is option C. Next, number 5. Partho and his team sat on a bench and enjoyed dash and snacks. Option A, tea and snacks, soup and snacks, coffee and snacks, and none of this. Which option is correct according to question number 5? This question is from the chapter number 4, Partho the park keeper. So in this story, Partho and his team sat on a bench and enjoyed tea and snacks. So option A is correct. Partho and his team sat on a bench and enjoyed tea and snacks. Next, question number 6. So in number 6, the sun's hiding place is dash the hills. Option A, behind the hills. Option B, between the hills. Option C, beside. And option D, both B and C. B means between and C means beside. So according to the poem, the sun's hiding place is behind the hills. In the second paragraph of the poem, it is written that, does it hide behind the hills late at night as outside chills? Do you think it needs to rest from all that warming it does best? So in the poem, the sun, in the second paragraph, it is mentioned that, does it hide behind the hills? So it means that the sun's hiding place is behind the hills. Option A is correct. Next, number 7. Does tickle the hyena with a feather? Option A, elephant tickle the hyena with a feather, monkey, hippo and giraffe. So question number 7. Which option is correct? In the story of Lost Laugh, hyena first went to which animal? First giraffe, then second hyena, after second hippo, after hippo hyena went to elephant, after elephant hyena went to which animal? Monkey. So the first question that monkey asked from the hyena, that how did you lose it? Hyena, how did you lose your laugh? So hyena said that, when I laughed, everyone saw my big teeth. They got scared, so they ran away, and this made me very sad. So my laugh disappeared. Then monkey said that, then hyena, you are looking for your laugh in the wrong places. Then you are looking for your laugh in the wrong places. Just a monkey jumped down from the tree and picked up a feather, and he began to tickle hyena all over slowly. Hyena started to smile, and then he let out a big loud laugh. So, who tickled the hyena with a feather? So, option B, that is your monkey. Option B is correct. Monkey tickled the hyena with a feather. Next, number 8. Now, number 8. I will never lose my laugh again, said monkey. Whether it is true or whether it is false. So, what will be the Answer: I will never lose my laugh again, said monkey. So it is true or it is false? Definitely it is false. Option B is correct. I will never lose my laugh again, said hyena. Said hyena, not monkey. That's why it is false. Number 9. Hyena thought he had dash that scared other animals. Option A, that is big legs. Option B, big teeth. Option C, big ears. And option D, A and C. A means big legs and option C, that is big ears. So which option is correct? Hyena thought he had big teeth. He had big teeth that scared other animals. So option B is correct. Just I have explained that after elephant, hyena went to which animal? Monkey. And the monkey asked that how did you lose it? So hyena said that when I laughed, everyone saw my big teeth. It is mentioned in your story, that is big teeth. They got scared, so they ran away, and this made me sad, so my laugh disappeared. So option B is correct, that is big teeth. Number 10. Team means a group of people who always work together, whether it is true and whether it is false. Now, what is the meaning of team? What is the meaning of team? Team means a group of people who always work together. Yes, this is the meaning of team. And team means a group of people who always work together. So whether it is true or false, so it's your true. Option A is correct. I hope you all have understood these questions. So you all are requested to do this question in your English copy and read the chapter number 3 and 4 nicely. Thank you everyone for watching this video and take care.